Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to assemble and install down to Fabricate's Ozark Trail 26 cooler mounts. Quick disconnect. First thing you got to do, you got to take your T40 and remove the bolt right here and right here. Now here we have some of the hardware. We got the latch, some of the bolts. You guys are going to need a 9mm socket, a 10mm socket, 10mm wrench, ratchet, and a 3/32 Allen head. So I've already assembled one side, so I had a better understanding of how to put this together, but it's pretty simple. First thing you're going to take these two button head bolts, and the two nuts that go with it, and the brace, and put your hardware on. Now I messed around with it previous to the video and found that right here was the best place for me with the rigid toolbox. Then you're going to take your 10mm socket, tighten it up. Alright, and assembled, it should look like that. Next you're going to need to find out what hole you need to put your latch on. I found for mine it works best on the center row. So then you're going to take your latch, put these two bolts through it. And these nuts require the 9mm socket. And you need your 3/32 Allen head. Those down nice and tight. Okay, after that, you're going to get your cooler mount, stand your handle up on end. This is how it's inserted. We're going to take the actual latch, line it up with the holes. And this is also your 9mm and 3/32 Allen head. Oops. Up. Goes nice and snug. You're going to lift your lid, shove it in there. Now we're ready to install the plate. So for the plate, we've taken out these two bolts right here. You have these bolts right here that replace them. You're going to line this hole and this hole up with those two holes. Take your 10mm socket and run them down. All right, once those are nice and tight, we're ready to put the cooler in. Slide your cooler in. Figure out what adjustment you need to make, if any. That one's nice. And that one's nice and tight. Nice and sturdy. Come over here. I don't see that going anywhere. Then if you want, you've got a little spot right here where you can put a padlock. And here's how fast it is to get this out. Just